Done. Now just you have to edit these pages, edit the menus, everything you can edit from here, and you can make a nice magazine website, blogs, any kinds of blogs, and nice newspaper website with newspaper theme. Hi viewers, welcome to mycpatraining.com. Vaishipon here. In this tutorial I will show you how you can purchase newspaper theme, a most popular theme for news website, blog, news blog, and you can make a newspaper site within very short time. I will show you the full procedure. This is the newspaper theme. You can purchase this theme from themeforest.net, and I will give you my affiliate link for ThemeForest. You can purchase from my affiliate link. You will get this link on my video description. But if you purchase from my link, you don't have to pay extra money, but I will make some commission from ThemeForest because I am doing marketing for this newspaper theme. Okay, let me show you. Newspaper is a great WordPress theme that lets you write articles and blog posts, create a great newspaper website with our newspaper template. You will get all information on purchase page. Okay, let's start. First time you have to install WordPress on your website, and here is the option integrated with Instagram, BBPress from BuddyPress and WooCommerce. This theme will supporting these plugins. I have already installed WooCommerce and I have already purchased the theme. Okay, you know very well theme installation procedure. You have to go to Appearance, Themes, and from here you have to click on Add New, Upload Theme, choose File, and this is the theme. Open, install now, and you know very well it will take some time for install. I will cut the installation time from video. Okay, let me show you how you will purchase this theme. Go to my video description and you will get my affiliate link. If you click here, you will get this link, and from here you have to click on buy now, and you have to make a account with ThemeForest, and you have to pay the price for newspaper and you will get it. And for your kind information, I am very much experienced with web design. You can contact with me through mobile, WhatsApp and Skype. I will give you full support for any kinds of web design. Okay, our installation complete. Now you have to click here, activate. I am clicking on activate. Done. Our newspaper theme installation complete. Start with the newspaper theme. You have to install these plugins. Install and activate plugins. When you are installing a theme, it's required some extra plugins, and you have to install the plugins. You know very well. Okay, our installation complete. All plugins have been installed successfully. Plugins, all plugins installed successfully. And support, install demos. From here you can install demo. See, here is a lot of demo, and from here quick install, you can install category wise. Suppose I want to install this one, Magazine Pro. Install. Yes, see, Magazine Pro version is installing. Demo installed. Okay, now if we see our website front page, done. Now just you have to edit these pages, edit the menus, everything you can edit from here, and you can make a nice magazine website, blogs, any kinds of blogs, and nice newspaper website with newspaper theme. Let me show you the customization. Every theme has customization option and theme options. If I go to appearance, customize site identity, from here you can change site identity. Menus, from here you can do menu settings. Widgets, you can do widget settings from here. Homepage settings, you can do homepage settings from here. WooCommerce setting, additional CSS. Okay, and you will get a newspaper option here. Install demo, we have already installed demo. Plugins, from here you can do plugin settings, system status, theme panel, and from theme panel you can do all kinds of settings from here. Suppose header option, logo and favicon. From here you can change logo and favicon. Okay, logo for mobile, you can choose logo for mobile here. And iOS bookmarklet, you can change these settings from here. Ads, header ad, you can change header ad from here. Suppose for your affiliate marketing or CPA marketing, article top ad, article inline ad, every ad you can control from here. Layout settings, template settings, you can do template settings from here. Categories, you can do category settings from here. Post settings, you can do post settings from here. Block settings, you can do block settings from here. Background settings, you can do background settings from here. Excerpt, translation, you can do translation settings from here. Theme colors, you can choose your theme colors from here. Theme fonts, you can choose theme font settings from here. Custom code, you can use custom code here. Analytics JS code, you can use this area. Social networks, for your social networks account settings, you can do from here. And here is some other settings. And now I think you understand why this theme is so popular. Finally, if you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.